video I am going to talk about an Indian hatchback, the Tata Tiago. We are going to talk about it in various criteria. The Tata Tiago has 4 more models of it, but I am just going to talk about the Tiago. Tata Tiago was launched in 2016 by Tata as the replacement for its predecessor Tata Bolt. First it was named Tata Zika, but it was a virus name, so it got renamed as Tiago. It also had a facelift in 2019. First Tiago also had a diesel engine, but it got discontinued. But now in 2020 Tata has given it a new facelift with new features and looks. This one also has a BS6 engine. Do you know football's living legend Leo Messi is first brand ambassador of Tiago? Tata Tiago gets a 1199cc 3-cylinder i3 Revoltron 1.2-liter petrol engine which makes 86 PS of power and 130 Nm of torque. It gets a 5-speed manual transmission and a 5-speed automatic transmission too. Now let's talk about its dimensions. Its length is 3765 mm, breadth is 1677 mm and height is 1535 mm. The ground clearance is 170 mm, boot space is 240 liters and wheelbase is 2400 mm. The manual Tata Tiago weighs 935 to 982 kgs, whereas the automatic Tiago weighs 982 to 991 kgs. We are done with the dimensions. Now let's come to the tires and brakes. Variants XC, XT, XZ and XZA have 175 by 65 R14 tires, whereas XZ Plus and XZA Plus have 175 by 60 R15 tires. Tiago has disc brakes in front and drum brakes at the rear. Its fuel tank capacity is 35 liters. Tiago has independent suspensions in the front and quiet spring mounted on hydraulic shock bars suspensions in the rear. Tata Tiago 2020 has a mileage figure up to 23.84 kilometers per liter. Now talking about Tata Tiago 2020's design, it has sleek tri-arrow design, piano black grille, contrast black roof, R15 dual tone alloys, side character lines, boldly sculpted hood design, stylish dual tone bumpers, sporty angular headlamps, chrome garnished front fog lamps, sporty rear spoiler, trendy boomerang shaped tail lamps, piano black auto ORVM, elegant dual tone dashboard, new tri-arrow design seat fabric. Starting from safety, it has dual airbags, ABS with EBD and CSC, rear parking camera, energy absorbing body structure, follow me home headlamps and speed sensitive auto door locks, rear wash wiper with defogger, immobilizer and many more common safety features. These all safety features gives it a global NCAP 4-star rating. These features are standard in all variants of the Tata Tiago. Now coming to its infotainment. It has a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system by Harman which is ConnectNext. It has 8 speakers. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also available. Parking assist, AM, FM, USB are also available. Speed dependent volume control, and these all can be controlled by its steering mounted controls. It also has many more features. Tiago 2020 has a 1.2-liter Revertron petrol engine which gives good performance and mileage. Its automatic transmission gives you a clutch-free driving experience. It also has a manual mode. Tata Tiago also has a 5-speed manual transmission with smooth and easy driving experience with easy precise gear shifts. These are some points about Tata Tiago's comfort and its space. Spacious interiors which often space, comfort and fair amount of headroom, legroom, etc. Automatic climate control that gives good cooling in the cabin. Steering mounted audio controls that makes easier to control multiple features without extending hands. Height adjustable driver's seat for good driving position. Adjustable front headrest for good driving position. Intelligently designed utility spaces for more storage. Digital instrument cluster which makes it easier to see the speed of the car and information. Adjustable ORVM which is electric. Usable boot space of 242 liters. And a sporty flat bottom steering gives it a sporty look. Tata Tiago has a total of 6 color options: Victory Yellow, Flame Red, Tectonic Blue, Pearl Scent White, Daytona Grey and Pure Silver. The Tata Tiago price range starts from 4.6 lakhs to 6.6 lakhs. These prices are ex-showroom. In my opinion, Tiago is best in segment. You get great safety, features, reliability and a spacious cabin. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked it. If you found something useful, so please leave a like. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any video.